Okay, this is the last video where I'm just introducing new identities and saying, here's some nice identities that you need to know. So this is going to be it. What we're going to start doing from now on after this is to actually look at some identity problems and work our way through them and see what kind of patterns of solving these problems that we run into. And honestly, the hard part's over. It's just seeing all these different identities and trying to wrap your head around them, trying to maybe memorize some of these. But keep in mind, there's three here that are actually tangent of half angles. So these are just variations of the same thing. So don't get hung up. Also, you see where we have the square root sign, and we have these radicals that we have the plus or minus. You have to apply either the plus or the minus depending on what quadrant you're in. If you take the cosine of the angle or half of the angle 100, you end up with the angle 50. So you may have to adjust the sign because you've moved into a different quadrant. So that's what this plus or minus is all about. It just says, hey, adjust accordingly for the quadrant that you're in. And again, you got three different variations on the tangent. They're very similar. One has the radical and both the 1 minus cosine and the 1 plus cosine. And then you get rid of the thing altogether. You don't need that plus or minus here. Okay, we'll just take care of that. Do the magic of, there we go. You have the half angle here with the sine of A, 1 plus cosine of A. And then you have the half angle tangent here, which is the 1 minus. You're keeping the top up here. So it's just which one of these gets replaced by sine, and you get rid of the radical. And you can memorize these two pretty easy. So that's all there is to it, and I promise no more. No more new identities, and we're just going to go from here. You've got all you need to know.